Mbabwate obukoreri bwa ambulance Chinsa nenye mbabwate chinchira au chugwakanira egati yabo chire NHIF AON Dental na Linda Mama ase bariya bagutumia NHIF tibari gwakana besa chinde chigoro magega yoko bwenigwa buna inpatient naboko batarera asenyegitari yabo ya Ram Hospital eyuerang'e n'ekigambiro kia Kisii Low Codes Gusii wa Kiresimi ase namba enotisano n'ibere enotisano ibere isato kianda ibere isano n'isato kianda Ram Hospital Kisii. Health first and health always.
Maya bichi basengo kugira mareta mange sana. Ekeboko orwenyi yudo amagomba tunda chinyinga karangeri omwana omwabo wono chindunda chinyinge make use obujo mutakeire school chegwiru abana mbatakeire bitabu muntu ngwe bware kiribuga ikomi kila lituko muntu ngwe bware 10,000 na mwiso bwe week 1200 ko pocket wese ko wali my friend ayenga yugo tikara okobwa na kwomogoko waye igwa ko genda sesimi yao yako genda say baby business number 888090 igoriyoka wakoda bakadai okubeka emya yemo yokai unokubeka chindunda chinyenge chance yao yobugwi igere iguru chindunda chinyinga karangeri omwana omwabo wono chindunda chinyinge make use
egosoriye yokwebwere nenko nigo yanchire ni kyombe ya PCLB ni namba ya 002660 egosoriye ni yabantu bari myaka 13 guchigoro omwanchumuliriye bwa television ya Ndizi TV mbiyemo sukoira Chinsa chao na kuliriye television yao na mbejemo yomunwa mweke Gusii bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yukwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera asugo twakiresimi ase namba enotisano na ibere inyesato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikere yukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com voigo na bugo tonyora ase mitandao yeito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na voigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututarira sikiabisi chito ekyo kirebo siobwe chiro ya embassy ekeroko genda nyakoe ase bara ekurwa Kisii kogenda Kisumu Ndizi TV Omwansu bwomu Gusii. Ndizi TV Omwansu bwomu Gusii.
Mano sana mwanchi muri beta seni ya Ndizi TV nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chiabono margoba asinero beire bwikira nigo koletera amangana maya asinchira yowenge asinse mochi mitandao asinse moya Facebook na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bagasense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asinse moya website na bagotonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.net iriyoterane Fridah Kerubo ikaransa oike helinde ngomanye asenchira yowenye chinga kitoroche omo prime cabinet Musalia Mudavadi aberiga koboli abarikora sense ya Kenya kweneke mnango sira balechi kampuni cheskali naboigo kwenekia obokoleri obuya naboiga serikali ya Uganda naboigeli ya Kenya nigo babetrense eseyo gwanchirana aso kweneke mnango agachabale ereri eyo ekobwatania epara kura sense mo ya Naivasha wika asense meri ya Malaba oigo egatia babunge kurasoba mabwa Kenya Kwanza nigo beso kiribene na boigo gukwanira igoro yengana iyo murai wense Dr. William Ruto ochigotwara chingwana cyuko igwana no murai wiki amagia ODM Raila Odinga Manchu Murielia ayunga tiari nkwariganiretie amagoroba ya lero toskatonyegera kwirana ndasege kegeke kerebosio elinde ngomanye amange Amayia yebire biga Manchu Murielia ni otogochakira kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii asengo kumanya buna nigo omusubati yomo kurwa sensemeli ya birongo aserieta Elizabeth Mora oyo menyatene amateae aganirie obokonyi magega yo gutigerwa oboroire no musacha oyomo kurengana no musubati yo ni gabere kagwetera amange anene mono ogoichorerano wa kwebirengereryo ase abere kagosiria nonya nemirimo yaye
igande singo mata y'abana babere mwana oyo mone university yari ngende gare form 2 Nyambari igana akorere gasimbosi secondary na akorere ororo ko 2003 paka last year ekero nanyara ko banko rwara ekero nanyara te ko banko umera umuntu yo tegete ko promise marriage ngamote togenda tupimura kini akanyakongetia kangaina bakegaikera ekanyarekana tukabanere tutarapimwa I discovered inga nanyari ko banko rwara na endo nyari ko baga kongo borwaire nganyara ko banko genda into depression na nyari ko banko rwara for so long ningendrete chi clinic asem inyegitari ya level 6 bosongo na nguina na mariogo kuru na nyari ko banko menya asama iri nkonya gweta bona bona igamenya tase bwe kazi miyane timbu atincherende yonsi nkonyara ko bango konya abana iga bona igabuna asi yaikeira igana renge bari motatu time ekero na turi ruga so nabwate birengera bia renge kunyuranga nguchinde go sabe ribaga kyagera igana renge barimo bona kero na nyora tari ruga ngoye guti igana ya turi ruga ya decision of duty ekopinere ri na nyara ko baginko ba ngachikoira neringa igana arware test iri mwarimu itachi kongera back no benefits chiarenge school ngwanera takonyora as a token asinia kana korire school mwarimu itayara nyara ko baga ko kyagera nyendiria ngeira kanga ngo konya ndabana na ende nyigore no ene biashara nchake egere nyore stepping stone ngende robugi igatomenyera tobo ko nigambo ndocenga na beire bad ni asaba igasemenyete igaba konyara ko bago nkonyara kininje bwe kana bankoranga amapade igango sabango oyo ro nyare ko ba ka gutwara riyanda ryo gonkonya kubwa monanko onyera abana bagende skuru gose oyo ra nyare ko baga konyori gasi oyo ra nyare ko baga konye gasi kiagera nimbwate papers nimbwate diploma in secretary and certificate in IT na bonko nyara ko bango kori mirimo nyare ko bango konya aba
Okomente kana kuobo ibi bwetugo nigo kogendete kwene kigwa ase omubaga o Nyamira na boigo bometa sabamenye benseme yo babire bakwerera obwoba bwabo osangane getaseni ya Ndizi TV nigo babire bakobolya babwatani kurwa sensemeli iyo bulendi kwene kibunango tinye bale obulendi ase Chinsemecho eliogokora obo ibi bwetugo
tangu uongozi wa serikali tunayo na wakati wa kuondoka kwa waziri wa ndani Bwana Matiang'i tulikuwa tumelala kidogo, lakini siku hizi wishi umeenea sana kila wakati. Kila ambacho mimi naona ni kwamba ng'ombe zangu vile walitoka ilibidi niombe usaidizi na provincial administration, na kwa kweli waliunganiza mimi, lakini ilibidi nitoe kitu kidogo ndio niweze kupata ng'ombe zangu. Ng'ombe zilipatikana, zilipita Bomet, zikaingia Transmara, nilizipata zote na sikarudi, na ilibidi niingize mkono kwa mfuko. Kile ambacho mimi naweza sema ni kwamba mahala ng'ombe zinapelekwa huko provincial administration wanajua ya kwamba kuna wezi pale. Hata kwa upande wa askari wanajua kuna wezi pale. Ng'ombe zangu zilipatikana kwa boma la mtu, lakini mwezi mwenyewe hajawahi kusiku.
Nonya serikali kegendete kubika emirobili mikirano asoko enekebuna nkogorora bali chikampuni chieskali nigo chikampuni chinyinge asensecho ya Kenya chabere chigosiekwa kubwatkana no kuburwa kwemesi osanga no prime cabinet Musalia Mudavadi nigo aboliri abaraikurwa sense ya Kenya koliya chinjira chinya nabo igo kwenekebuna ngosonsora bali amangana alengete sector yeskali ya maga ye chikampuni chinyinge
Ladies and gentlemen, let me pronounce myself on the sugar industry debacle. The sugar industry has been very important to the country and more so the western region in terms of income and employment. This industry is, however, bedeviled with the existence of old mills, high indebtedness, managerial incompetence, and cheap imports competition, among other issues. Last year, we produced only 800,000 metric tons against a national consumption of 1 million metric tons. The greatest concern at the moment is the acute cane shortage, leading to closure of sugar mills. This has been inevitable given the motivation of farmers who are owed millions in unpaid delivered cane and have stopped growing cane. These historical difficulties, together with a global shortage, have resulted in increased prices from an average 6,200 per 50 kilogram bag last year to Kenya shillings 7,245.
Serikali ya Uganda na boigo ya Kenya nigo babitirinse eseyo wanchirana ase okwagacha ereri korwa sensemo ya Naivasha goikirana ase chinsemo chiri chia Malaba ase ngencho yogokinia sekta yobosombi okwana omowaziri wobosombi Kipchumba Murkomen na boigo korwa agosomo waziri korwa senseri ya Tanzania ase sekta yogose wizare yokatumba Wamala nigo ba kiribuna nigo morobere yora chiko chakabene mutinyi 12 omwako yega aseba gokeire omorobere yo nabo kwene kibuna no chiko kinia sector yoboncheria.
Signed a joint communique after a long meeting this which started this morning up to this afternoon between myself being the CS of Roads and Transport and my counterpart from Uganda, the Minister in charge of Transport and Public Works, Honorable General Wamala, who is here in the country for bilateral conversation between us in Kenya and Uganda regarding seamless transport of goods via the railway from here in Mombasa up to Kampala. As you are aware, the government of Kenya has constructed a standard gauge railway from here to Naivasha in Mai, and the plans is to make sure that this railway SGR is extended all the way to Malaba, which is about 369 kilometers remaining to Malaba, and thereafter the government of Uganda is desirous of taking it another 272 kilometers to Kampala.
Many of you know that this was a regional concept of developing the standard gauge railway, and many of you have been asking questions. Where are you? What's the delay? Why did it go halfway? I think now we are giving you the answers. We may have delayed, but we are
Serikali ya kaunti ya Homa Bay nigo babekire emiroberi meikiranu asokweneke binango tanga bali abalimi korwa sensemeli yokunerirwa okwana omugavana wa kaunti yo Gladys Wanga nigo ainekebna nigo babekire $1 million ensemo asingencho yokugora ebituma korwa ase abalimi kinga kyekiga kiligesa.
We have a bumper harvest in maize, in sorghum. And unfortunately, there are many brokers and middlemen who have come to Homa Bay to collect maize from our farmers at throwaway prices. And of course, given the high cost of living and how difficult it is currently, our farmers are selling maize at this price. I'd like to announce that as a county, we have set aside money, which the cabinet has already given approval, 10 million shillings to begin the process of mopping up maize from our farmers for purposes of the Kigoto maize mill, so that we can increase the civic awareness of our people on the importance of retaining.
Omugavana wa kaunti ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti nigo amochire bali bagendete korubikana anemono angena se chiskuru asengencho nigo babeire baguturubania obokoleri okwana nigo ayenekibna aborokigwa mbaganite chinga kichenyororo asengencho yokwenyorera chisemi boikiranu.
Asante wazazi pia, thank you so much for supporting the school, because the school cannot move without you. If the teacher, the students, and the leaders work together, education grows in our country. Na mimi nataka kuhakikishia kama gavana wa Machakos, mimi niko tayari kufanya na walimu na mashule ndio watoto wetu waweze kuendelea na education yao.
Waziri wa mangana yoboerania gosia ICT Eliodowalo nigo ayenekeria abakenya buna nigo obukoreri bwe serikali asensemo yemitandao bogendete gokorekana bwikirano anemono asensemeli ya e-citizen okwana nigo ayeneke gusiniga tuguterale chinkwana buna nigo bokoreri obwo abere bogo tuguterwale aseneke buna nige wizara ya yegendete kweroberia na kweneke bunango tinya bale obukoreri anemono asu
This is part and parcel of our digital transformation agenda as government. With that infrastructure in place, we are progressively transferring all services to the e-citizen digital platform. We already have over 5,000 services on the e-citizen platform. Moving to the future, even after Form 4, those who are living Form 4, you'll realize that you can interact with the government directly. You can consume government services directly without visiting government offices. By the end of the year, we shall have fully digitalized about 10,000 services, government services, about the e-citizen platform, so that we transform government into a paperless process government. We are no longer going to have any paperwork in government. We are working with the county governments, and your deputy governor is here. As we do digitalization in the national government, even the county governments are doing digitalization. We want to move at the same pace. We want to turn Kenya into one digital economy.
This little investment that the national government is doing for schools is going to impact and change your lives in tremendous ways. I want to encourage you that you encourage yourselves to learn basic IT skills around programming, around coding, around automation. The future, just like Waziri Walu said,
Ababunge korwa sobomo bwa Kenya Kwanza nigo bakwanere igore ngana yo muraiwense Dr. William Ruto gotwara enkwana yo kuigwana no muraibe kiamagia ODM Raila Odinga okwana nigo bamuchire Raila asengencho yo kogendera kora okorobekana asengencho yo gosoa ase serikali aseba ene kiribuna mbali gosira engana ya handshake
hatutakubali. Na tumeambia rais ukisalimiana na Raila Odinga kugawa mamlaka ya Kenya, sisi utajipanga bwana rais.
Sisi tunakondem maandamano, lakini tunaomba Kenya hii yetu watu wakae chini waongee tutulize hii joto. Lakini katika kuongea huku hatuta encourage president wetu kwenda katika mazungumzo ya kugawana mamlaka.
Yule jamaa hana haja na mambo ya cost of living. Yule jamaa ni serikali anajaribu kuchukua kupitia mlango wa nyuma. Mimi nataka niulize watu wa Nandi Hill, si mliamka mapema mkachagua William Ruto agawe serikali nusu apea ile mzee ama akae nayo yote?
Sisi tuna encourage rais wetu, ongea na hawa jamaa, watulie, watupe muda, tuendelee na kazi ambayo Kenya Kwanza kupitia kwa manifesto yake iliahidi wa Kenya.
Nishukuru sana kutoka pili kwa sababu nchi hii haiwezi kuendelea bila sisi
Mwanchi umuriyereria kurwa sorbo tioruni ona ikire omoeli obomangana maya asebire biga kulinde toska tonyegera ekoraga ensa emo ayona mange ningo yaletra senchira yobikiranu nyora stinsemo chiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News sensemo ya website na bagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net maige kamera soko ene kibina ebichana boigo eliogi dagoikira sole asenchira ya bene nere petronira mukera ilietene Fridah Kerubo toska tonyegera captain 001 gochara segekege Kerobosio asomorobelio obwechi gosalitwara oboligereria borobia.